Learned Chief Justice rightly said when Mr. Pradeep Rai got up and took the stage. Honorable Chief Justice was very keenly looking for that googly or sixer or bouncer or whatever is to come. For nobody else, probably that any googly or bouncer, as a Chief Justice said, that maybe it was just a reverse sweep kind of a thing, and maybe one of those stylish shots and nothing more than that. But the googly came for me, I tell you. Mr. Pradeep Rai, without even asking me about copyright or patent, well, picked up all those stories which I had to share somewhere and, well, shared with you. Thank you, Mr. Rai, for having shared those great stories here. Mr. Rai probably indicated about my involvement as regards one of the greatest movies we had the occasion to admire, that is Mughal-e-azam. Probably Mr. Rai indicated about that. Yes, there are great lessons from each and every story available with us. He asked about, ultimately the question remains as to where Anarkali had gone. Listening to him, I was tempted to, because some of my colleague judges sometimes, particularly in Allahabad and particularly Katsi, the Honorable Chief Justice, that in Lucknow I spent a lot of time and to share a few great moments from that movie. So Mr. Pradeep Rai said, Anarkali kahan gayi, kind of. There was a very interesting scene in that movie when Salim is ultimately defeated, beaten, and brought to the court of Shahnshah for, and the charges are read out, and it was said that ये सारे इल्ज़ामात वापस लिए जा सकते हैं, तुम्हारी तमाम नादानियाँ और नाफरमानियाँ माफ़ की जा सकती हैं यदि तुम अनारकली हमें दे दो. There's a long series of dialogues. I won't trouble you with that. The interesting part was in the last, when Salim ultimately says that अगर आज शहंशाह इंसाफ के पर्दे में अपनी शिकस्त का इंतकाम ही लेना चाहता है तो उसे अनारकली नहीं मिलेगी, उसे अपने बेटे की जान लेनी होगी. The answer was, इंसाफ हमें बेटे से ज़्यादा अजीज है. Friends, this is what we are. Insaf, justice, is dearer to a judge than anything else. And that is what our system has always been. You are the contributors of that system.